In this video, we'll be talking about 6 things that you all need to consume more when dealing with Eustachian Tube Dysfunction, tinnitus, or tinnitus as some call it, TMJ related issues. We are going to outline 6 things that you should be consuming more. Stick around. Number 1 on our list today is vitamin B12. Now, vitamin B12 is contained in meat, eggs, poultry, dairy products, and other foods from animals. Strict vegetarians and vegans are at high risk for developing a B12 deficiency, which can affect your balance. Now, some of you have also alluded to the fact that you have balance problems, and that can be the issue. Number 2 on our list is getting plenty of folic acid and vitamin B9. Now, a lot of you that I've spoken to are not getting your leafy green vegetables in, and this should be done daily. We're talking about your romaine, your asparagus, your broccoli. This has to be something you incorporate in your diet to help with blood flow, and blood flow to the inner ear is going to help improve issues with tinnitus and issues with having a dysfunction tube. And ironically, on the number 3 list is getting our omega-3s. Of course, this is going to keep it short and simple. You need to get your omega-3s so you keep the inflammation down. Keeping the inflammation down is going to help with healing, and healing is what we need. And number 4 on our list is getting plenty of magnesium in our diet. Now, folks, you won't hear this everywhere, but this is extremely important for keeping healthy cells and healthy nerves. If you're having issues with your ear, you know it has a lot to do with blood flow, has a lot to do with nerves, and if you're feeling tension in the body, magnesium is going to assist with that. We find our magnesium, of course, in different types of veggies, tomatoes and spinach and potatoes and artichokes and bananas. So, folks, keep the tension down. Get your magnesium in your diet. You are going to notice miraculous results. And number 5 is zinc. We need zinc in our body and in our diet to keep our immunity up. It's going to help fight and prevent you from getting nasty infections, and this is going to slow down healing if we're not keeping our immunity up. And you can find a lot of zinc in different protein-rich foods and oysters and beef and pumpkin seeds. These are just a few to name, and folks, if you can get your zinc up, you're going to heal much faster. And number 6 on our list is getting plenty of potassium. Now, potassium is going to be responsible for regulating the amount of fluid and blood in our body tissue. Now, all of you who are dealing with fluid in the ear are going to find is really essential. So please up the potassium and you'll notice a very clean ear. Alrighty, my wellness people, that concludes our segment for today. Do your absolute best to consume these 6 nutrients in your diet and try your best to be consistent, because that's when you'll notice results. I ask you all to subscribe to my channel so you can get the latest, greatest health and wellness videos, motivation, yoga, and meditation. But before I let you go, I'd like to leave you with one thing. Being well is feeling well. Feeling well is doing well. Doing well is living well. Take care, everybody. Talk to you soon.